Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you curry chicken. It's going to be yummy and with a bunch of vegetables and spices. And I also have a cameraman today to help me. She's you. So let's get cooking and enjoy. Now for the curry chicken we have 3 tomatoes sliced, 4 green chillies and 1 whole onion diced. And we also have chicken that's been washed. First things first, let's add a little bit of oil. Since we got onions, peppers, and the chicken, we'll add a little bit more. Let's add a few green cardamoms to flavor the oil. The pan is nice and hot and the oil will get really flavored. A few mustard seeds, cumin seeds. It's all popping. Let's first add the onions, green chilies, if you'd like to have your onions turn brown a little faster, you could add a little bit of salt. Here I got ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. You could add a little more since you have quite a bit of chicken. You don't want the raw flavor of garlic. The onions look good. You can now add the tomatoes. If you're still watching, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Let's get back to cooking. I have a cameraman today. Her name is Princess Yu. She's come here to help me make this video. All the different angles that you see, they come from a cameraman. He's doing a very good job. How does it smell?
Oh my god. This is gonna be yummy.
This is curry chicken. So you'll want to cook this for another 2 minutes. You want the tomatoes to turn a little soft. Now we could add the chicken. We can let this cook for about 2 minutes and then we add the spices. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Mutton curry masala, this adds extra flavor to the chicken curry. 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. I'm not going to add any water in here because the chicken already has lots of water in it. I will just let it cook. I will lower the flame to medium so the surface doesn't get burnt. Now we can close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Wow, this is looking yummy. Look at the gravy. It's nice and thick. The chicken, the potatoes are all well cooked, nice and soft. Just love it. If you love the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.